Everybody, what is going on? It's me, the Elite Ace. We are live action. You already know what it is. Here to bring you yet another taste test review. As you can see, it is of the Ryze mushroom coffee, and I have the whole set here. Now, I don't like coffee. Hear me out. Hear me out. I know some of you are thinking, then why did you buy it? Why did you buy it? This isn't necessarily your traditional coffee. This isn't coffee. This is a form of coffee. It's like a mushroom coffee. Now, I love mushrooms. I love things that can give me health benefits, and there are a lot of health benefits to this. So I've been seeing this on my feed a lot for a long time, and I know a lot of you have as well. So I figured, you know what? Why don't I go ahead, give this a taste? Because this is the thing. I don't mind incorporating healthy things into my diet, into my daily regimen, especially if I can make it taste good. Now, I don't know how it tastes. I heard it tastes real earthy. Some say it doesn't even taste like coffee at all. Some say it tastes good. They don't need the creamer. Some people do need the creamer. You know, people's palates are different. So I'm going to give you my thoughts on it, my taste test review, and I'm going to actually do a follow-up, a 30-day, time skip kind of review, how I've been feeling ever since I've been drinking this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this open. Of course, this is a box like so. Nothing special on the sides or the spines, whatnot. As you can see, fingerprint magnet. I'll ignore the little mark right here. I already slipped this part open, the tape. Open it up like so. Ooh, look at that. Now that is nice. That is smooth. All right, let's go ahead and get that close up. And here we have it, your new daily ritual. So with this package, of course, it comes with a container where you can hold your coffee in, the measuring spoon, as well as the stirring spoon. And it comes with not one, but two packets of mushroom coffee, as well as the superfood creamer with mushrooms and probiotics, creamy vanilla flavor. The probiotics is very, very important. So let's take a look on the back here. Of course, it gives us the ingredients, the nutrition facts, directions, etc. Let's go over the mushrooms. We have cordyceps for energy, reishi, bleach fans if you know, that's for stress relief, lion's mane, I love lion's mane, that's for focus, shiitake for immune support, turkey tail for healthy digestion, and king trumpet, which fights oxidative stress. So right here, 2,000 milligram mushrooms, 100% vegan. So let's also have a look on the back of this right here. More of the same. But of course, we have the probiotics. Subtly sweet, big benefits. This will go good with the coffee because who knows, maybe it'll have an earthy taste, maybe not. But I'm gonna give a taste test of the coffee without the creamer and with the creamer. All right, first thing first, let's go ahead and remove the container like so. And here we have it right here. Nice, nice decent weight to it. It says Ryze right here. It has that nice suction secure feel. No, you don't have to screw it. Now it's just me turning it. You can just, I know you can hear that. Let's just like that. And inside we actually have care instructions. Very important. And let's see. Wash with damp cloth. No dishwasher or soaking. Towel dry immediately after contact with water. Store in cool, dry place. Handle with care to avoid accidental drops or impacts that could cause damage to the wood or coating. Yes, this is actual wood right here. Yes, this is the jar. Your Ryze mushroom jar is a unique and stylish addition to your kitchen. All handmade and sustainably sourced from acacia wood. Enjoy using it to store your Ryze and feel the joy of mushrooms whenever you glance at its beautiful handcrafted design. Okay, and right here we have the actual spoon to stir. It says stir right here. Pretty nice. And then let's go ahead and we have the actual scoop. So one scoop of this, bam, good to go. All right, and now it's time for the additional package. Let's see what's in there. Ooh, okay. So it looks like we have, what is this? Ooh, a thank you letter right here from the creators. And this is a list of the mushrooms which we already went over. And of course, you can have this, it says 1 tablespoon of Ryze, 8 to 10 ounces of hot water or cold water, creamer of your choice, a dab of honey, stir or froth until creamy and smooth. Sounds like it's pretty simple to me. As well as you have this. You see today's resolution, and you're gonna crush it. Looks like it's a magnet. Put that on your fridge or any magnetic surface. Make your notes. And this is what? Ooh, Ryze mushroom overnight oats and protein. 20 grams of protein. This is nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Believe it or not, I've never had oats overnight. So this will be the first time I have oats overnight. So yeah, gonna give this a try as well. Oh, now see, this is what I'm talking about. Yes, the recipes. Because don't get it twisted. When people think mushrooms, they automatically think pizzas. There are people who don't like mushrooms, but there are so many different types of mushrooms, and you can cook mushrooms in so many different type of ways. You can fry them, bake them. You can have them battered. Like I had a lion's mane chicken sandwich when I went to the Veg Fest, and where was that? Eastern Market in Detroit. Oh my God, that was one of, if not the best veggie burgers I've ever had. That lion's mane burger was so good, and it was a mushroom. You couldn't even tell it was a mushroom. So with this, if you don't like coffee, if you don't like to drink your coffee, there's so many ways to consume coffee. Like right here we have, oh man, see the recipes. Hot mushroom latte, iced mushroom latte, mocha mushroom shake, nut butter smoothie, mushroom coffee pancakes, mushroom coffee oats overnight, mushroom coffee chia pudding, cookie dough coffee bites. And they show the ingredients right here. Sorry if there's a glare. Oh man, look at that. Right there. And yes, we all know I am a chef, so I would definitely try and make these. I may do a video of these, especially the pancakes. I'm curious about the pancakes. And then these right here. This is nice. And that's another thing. If you don't like coffee, you can get the mocha, the matcha. Right here. It just keeps going on and on and on. Oh man, look at this. So you can add garnishes to it. The oats overnight. The matcha oats overnight. That sounds good. Then you got the coconut creamer. Oh man, look at the coconut matcha bites. But see, I get it. A lot of people don't like coconut. I'm picky with coconut. You know, I really am. And here we have more superfood creamer, mushroom probiotics with vanilla, I think. Yeah, these are the same, so good. I'm gonna go through this one before I crack open that one. And what else? Oh, there's more. So we have Ryze and Calm. 3 months of free access to Calm Premium. I guess it's a Wusa type service. Right here. I know people who really need this, man. Like, geez, I know people, they just have the jitters, high anxiety, they're just overwhelmed, stressed. Like, just relax. You know, like I said before, in my Moss review, it has ashwagandha in it. I'm already just a cool, mellow, laid back guy. And sometimes, man, when you go through certain things, you refuse to let things take control of your emotions ever again. Like, you just refuse. You're gonna just tap in, zen out, and just chill, man. Life is too short to get yourself worked up. Like, your blood pressure can just rise due to stress. Like, I mean, man, so I like this. Your Ryze ritual. Then it comes with the resolution magnet. You know, you got the three. Enjoy a curated content collection in the Calm app. Created to uniquely enhance your Ryze ritual. Practice gratitude. A daily prompt sent to help you realize how awesome you really are. Save to your phone. A gratitude mindset. Get started. You know, that's cool because I don't mind motivational speeches and things of that nature. Then we have the suppressed wood bracelet. Let's see. Here we go. It's pretty cool, you know. I have quite a few of these. I never had like the wood one. It has like little mushroom right here. But and of course, to write on the magnet right here. Let's see. Got that. Got the right bleach. Let's see if it erases. Ah, it does. Pretty cool. All right, yep. So, we got all that out of the way. Let's open this real quick. Keep dry away from extreme temperatures. If it does get wet, wipe gently with a dry cloth. All right, there you go. Pretty smooth. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get the taste test going. All right, here we go. So we got a Ryze mushroom coffee. Let's go ahead and open this. And let's get a look-see. And that's how it looks. Let's see if we can focus. Right there. It actually smells good. It's like a coconut type of smell to it. Right there. If it'll just focus, there we go. And then we add our 8 to 10 ounces of hot water. Which is basically just 1 cup. Now, of course, I can use this to stir, or I can go ahead and use this. So let's go ahead and oh man, it definitely smells good. And just for good measure. All right, let's give it a taste test. All right, here we go. The moment of truth. You can see it's nice and hot too. All right, let's do this. All right, I'll give it another go. It's not bad. It actually, it kind of reminds me of coffee, but it seems more light, more just clean. Like, let me see. No, that's not half bad. No, you do not taste the mushrooms. You don't. But you know what? Let's go ahead and try with the creamer. Okay, right here. This is how you know I do not drink coffee. It says tip: add creamer to your cup first, then the Ryze blend of your choosing, and then water, so our natural ingredients have a chance to blend. Trust us. Oh boy. But hey, I have to give you the taste test without the creamer first. So let's go ahead and open it up. But normally I could have swore people would make their coffee first and then add creamer, but whatever. Yep, has that coconut smell to it. Here's the consistency. If it'll focus, there we go. Give it a quick stir. All right, now for the taste test. Here we go. You know what? That's not bad. It all blends in. Let me check out that aftertaste. You know what? You can barely taste the coconut because, like I said, it blends in. I mean, it's nice and smooth. You know what? If someone was to tell me this was mushroom coffee, I wouldn't believe it. I would actually think this is just coffee. But it tastes a little bit different. Maybe because it's been years since I had coffee, you know. And some of you are coffee experts, coffee nuts. You didn't have all different types of coffees, the right type of measurement, stirring, everything. Some of you are like some coffee scientists, but yeah, this isn't bad. You know, I can see myself drinking this every day. So you know what? I'm gonna drink this for 30 days. Like I said, I'm gonna give you all a post time skip review of any effects, how I feel, things of that nature. But yeah, this will be added to my daily regimen. And also, like I said, I'm going to give you a review on the oats overnight, as well as, you know, some of the recipes, those pancakes. I'm really looking forward to those pancakes. So yeah, but this also tastes good with some almond milk, oat milk, cashew milk. If you just like some regular milk, put some actual nice vanilla extract in there. There's so many ways to just jazz up coffee. So, you know, some people like their coffee straight black, just regular. Some like it with some extra razzle dazzle. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this cup. All right, there you have it. That was my unboxing and taste test of the Ryze mushroom coffee with the creamer. And right here, as you can see, it blends very well. There's no grittiness or anything left over. Tastes pretty good. Went down smooth. I know it still has to get absorbed and settled in. I don't feel funny or I don't feel weird or anything. So I recommend it if you're a coffee drinker or you want a healthier alternative, or if you don't like regular coffee, you want to try out mushroom coffee because you like mushrooms and or you like coffee. Hey, by all means, check this out. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. It's me, the Elite Ace, signing out.